Hello guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to do a short vlog in my locality, and I have taken my beast Hero Xtreme 200R, which I have shown in my previous video. You can see my bike here, Hero Xtreme from my beast. And today I have my cousin with me. He is in my back and he will be there in the full vlog. So let's continue. So guys, we are in a restaurant. It's not a restaurant, you can call it a dhaba, and I ordered a chow mein and it is coming. So let's wait for it. So guys, we have finished our noodles, and here is my beast. She is standing here, and we will go to home now, so stay with us. So guys, at last we are home, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then give a big thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section that you want more vlogs like this or not. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos and for more updates. And also special thanks to you all, that how you supported me and cooperated me in my last video. So thank you. Today after this, see you in the next video.